happened, Tink? Whoa!
Let's do it again. Whoa!
Did you create an obstacle course for yourself?
Of course.
Crawl on your knees.
Following these.
Might be
Oh.
easier. Whoa! You did it. You got all the way to the white pillow. Keep going.
There's a white pillow.
Yeah.
That's a white pillow.
And right on your feet, too.
On my feet?
Well, there was another white pillow there.
Huh?
Pops.
So don't pop.
I think they're too tiny to pop, those little bubble wrap. What's your name, little fairy?
Tinkerbell.
Can you look at the camera and see what you look like? Look.
Oh, I can pop them.
Pop those.
Can I pop them?
You have to
for me?
squeeze. Yeah.
Squeeze. If I run very fast, they'll pop.
You think so? That might only be with the big bubbles.
The big bubbles?
Yeah, these are small ones.
And run really fast.
All right.
Make it in time.
If you run really fast, you'll just make it in time. Beautiful crown you have on.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's how to bread it.
Hmm. There you go. Good job. Nice. Nice work.
Ah, not this. This.
Yes. Look out for the table behind you.
Yes. Alright. Really fast.
Oh, I heard some.
I
I did hear it. It was a good plan. Keep running on it or jump on it and see if it works.
What? What is that? I'll spread it again.
Okay. Maybe if you spread it over there. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, you did it. You squeezed really hard. Oh. Oh.
I'm gonna make them really big.
Okay.
Pop goes the weasel. Let's try this.
Okay. Your dress is falling off.
Wow.
You did it.
Pop goes the weasel. Hey, I want to watch Tinkerbell. It's nighttime.
You're going to watch Tinkerbell
It's nighttime.
before bed?
Tinkerbell movie
Oh.
and Tinkerbell books
Who's your favorite fairy?
and Tinkerbell.
Oh.
And my favorite princess is a Belle.
Oh. Who do you like better, Belle or Cinderella?
Oh, and Cinderella
Wow.
and Pinocchio.
And Pinocchio.
And their pencil.
And Geppetto.
And Jimmy Cricket. And the wolf.
And the wolf, which we can't remember his name. How about we?
I think that's Matt's combo.
You think it's Matt's combo?
Yeah.
That's an interesting name. Squeeze him really hard.
Mm.
No. I heard it.
Oh. Contact.
Contact?
I put my eye.
No, don't put it in your eye. It's not a contact.
But there's a
It's a
contact.
piece of plastic, and it will hurt your eye if you put it in there.
I found it. But,
No, just pretend.
no.
Squeeze. Whoa, that was a rip, not a squeeze. You're not squeezing it, you're ripping it. Don't put that in your eye, Delaney. No, don't put it in your eye. I'm going to take it away.
No, in my eye. Oh, it's in my eye.
Yeah.
Not hurting.
Delaney, stop.
No. Hey. I could do this. And a bubble pop. When I run out of it will pop. Oh, not pop.
How hard are you squeezing? Oh, I heard a pop. I heard some pop. What happened? Delaney.
I know. We can roll it up. Look at Mom.
What?
It's a couch.
Yeah, it's a couch. It's been there every day. You like looking at it without the cushions on the back? Looks like a bed. Looks like a big girl bed. What's wrong with your wings? Are you done with your... Wait, let me help you. Don't rip it. Let me help you.
I'm not going to rip it.
Well, you are going to rip it. You're going to rip it.
I'm going to do
Okay.
this.
All right.
Look,
Goodbye, Tinkerbell.
Bye. I'm going to big girl bed. I get to go in and out when I'm sleeping.
Yes, but once you go night-night in your big girl bed, when you have a big girl bed, you don't get up unless you have to go to the bathroom.
Like Nana and Grandpa.
Like Nana and Grandpa? Yeah,
Like in Palm Springs.
like in Palm Springs, right.
I have a big girl bed.
Right.